Hi, I'm Michael.
Andre!
And we're going to open our last
Cookie Run set. 1v1.
Operation Time Guard.
There's
So,
only
30
2 cards
packs,
left.
2 cards na lang ang natitira. So, the promo and yung dalawang and yung promo. So, buksan ba natin yung promo? Hindi.
It's a promo.
Huwag na siguro.
Opo eh. It's a promo. Promo is
Sige lang.
for opening.
Kasi plano ko pang magbukas eh.
Huh?
Anyway, sige, ayan. 2 cards. So, ang tanong, bubuksan ba o itatago panghabang buhay? At ang sagot ay
Yes.
anong yes?
Bubuksan.
Bubuksan. Wala kang buhay-buhay. Ulitin natin. 1, 2, 3. Bubuksan ba o itatago panghabang buhay? At ang sagot ay
Bubuksan
bubuksan
natin!
natin. Okay, 1v1.
Why do you plan a video just opening one promo?
Okay, anyway, next. 1v1. O, sino una?
You.
O, you. Okay, pero ako ng gunting. Sabay tayo. Para for this wait lang. Wait. Sige na. Ito naman. Okay. Sabay tayo. Ready? Aking gunting kasi sayang yung lagayan eh. Okay, sige. Sabay tayo ha. Ito. Taba mo. Itapat mo. Sabay mo sa akin.
Short.
Okay, ready?
Ay, blue.
Salt cookie. Salt cookie sa'yo, soda cookie. Sparkling cookie.
Wait, what?
Oh! Sabay yan.
Sabay.
Okay, last card after this. Last card after this. Tingnan natin kung may last pack natin. 3, 2, 1. Yeah! Oh, wala. Magkaiba tayo ng last card. Anyway. Yeah.
We should open the promo card.
Buksan na rin natin yung promo card.
Sayang kasi.
Sayang din. Sige, buksan.
I want to be the one.
Sige, guntingin ko eh. Okay, ikaw tanggal. Tingnan natin ang promo card. So, the last two.
Ooh.
Wow, ano to? Nakalagay letter P, promo.
Wait, do we have that?
Wala, promo yan eh. Hindi kasama sa set yan. Ang tanong, may iba pa bang mga promo?
I thought the promo card was a
Cheesecake,
Logan
cheesecake
siya.
cookie? Parang meron tayong cheesecake
Yeah,
cookie.
that's what I told you.
Tel.
Ten.
Tol kasi pastel. Tama, tol, tama.
You're wrong.
Okay. So, okay, yun lang out of 30, the last 2 packs wala na. But we opened huwag mong sirain. We opened na. Yun lang. So that's it for this video. Maraming salamat. I'm Michael.
And
And we just opened some.
our last cookie run.
Alright,
We
bye-bye.
won't posting any cookie run for like a month because that is very expensive.
Mga 2,670 oh. Pero sa reseller, mas mahal.
We couldn't bought it for so many Pokemon packs.
Anyway, bye-bye.
Bye.